AJ here from Home Lab Networks. Now, just quickly, once again, I am in my shed, as you can see, but this is just a quick office update tour. I wanted to show you guys in my home and network in the system. I just want to give you guys a quick tour and show you guys where I work each night and how it all operates and comes together. Welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ, and today's video is just a updated office tour. I've done one of these in the past, but I just feel like this video will be a lot better presented and a better edit of it. And I just wanted to go over a few things, as there has been a little bit of a change, but not too much. I now run with a quad monitor setup. 3 of the monitors are exactly the same, and I got one that's a little bit different and a little bit bigger. I'll try and have these linked in the description, as all my equipment, as far as the monitors and system, are over 9 years old. I still run the same hardware as I did 9 years ago. This desk is an L shape that I purchased off eBay for about $190, I believe. It came flat pack and I had to build it myself, which wasn't a very easy build. My only issue with it is I wish it was a little bit higher, but other than that, I love the desk, I love the quality, and I would buy it again. Now, all my monitors are connected by HDMI, and I believe I've got one DVI for the 4th monitor, which I don't really use. I just have it there because I can. The keyboard is a Razer Deathstalker Chroma, I believe. It's not new or anything. I bought it secondhand from my brother. And it works amazing. I love it. It took me a while to adjust because I used to run the old Deathstalker from about 10 years ago, but it's a nice keyboard once you get used to it. And the mouse I also use is a Razer brand. I think it's a V2, I believe. It's the older version than the newer ones, but it's a mouse and I love it. One of the new upgrades or updates to the office, apart from the quad monitor setup, is the light ring, which I plan to check when I first started working for about $600 at the time. The only things I've changed in this system is the graphics card, which is a GeForce 1080T or 1080. I can't recall exactly what it is, but it's an older graphics card, and I only put it in the system because my brother gave it to me. By default, it had 4GB of RAM, which I upgraded to 16. When I first did the upgrade about 5 years ago, I upgraded to 8, and then my computer stopped working. And then a few years later, I've upgraded again to 16GB of RAM, and it works perfectly fine. It's DDR3. It's an old system. Can't do too much upgrades. I do have 3 hard drives in this. I'll have a screen recording of all the disk information on the computer, but there's one 500 gig drive. I believe there's one 2 terabyte drive, and one I think there might be 2 terabyte drives. I can't recall exactly, but it will be on the screen. And so one's for the operating system, one's for the programs and all that type of stuff, and one's for storage. And the processor's like an Intel i3 something, but it's a very old processor. And doing this YouTube thing, it is slowing down. I do need to upgrade my system, but it runs fine at the moment, and I'll use it till it dies. But that's the main of my system and office and how it runs. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a like and even subscribing if you haven't, and we'll see you guys in the next video.